Hi, Matt from Invariant here, and welcome to the tutorial video on using the Auto Template tool in RapidPlan. The purpose of the Auto Template tool is to semi-automate the process of creating your traffic plan. Signage and worksite devices can be instantly laid out at a selected location. Parameters such as sign spacing and tapering of delineators are automatically calculated based on properties such as road category and mark speed. All of these features come together to make quick work of your traffic planning in RapidPlan. It is also worth noting that this is our first iteration of the tool. In future updates, we will further develop the algorithm, adding additional features and extending the template library. For this tutorial, I'll demonstrate two examples. One being a US MUTCD template and the other a generic works template. To get started, click the New Plan wizard. Before proceeding with selecting the Auto Template tool, please take a moment to read the disclaimer here regarding the templates within the tool. The disclaimer explains that the information in the template is to be regarded as guidance, and using the templates provided requires an understanding of each situation. So, let's select the tool and proceed to the next step. On this screen, you are presented with the list of available modules. Note that the modules are different in each country, so the modules list that you see will differ based on country version of RapidPlan that you're using. Every RapidPlan user has access to the generic works modules. These modules are separated for traveling on the right-hand side of the road, such as the US, and the left-hand side, such as in Australia, New Zealand, and the UK. Each module contains a list of typical worksite layouts. If you click the drop-down box next to the module, it will display the list of templates available. For the first demonstration, I will use a US MUTCD template. This is the most powerful part of the tool, as all of your tapers, distances, and signs will be imported onto the template in line with the region standards that you have selected. For this demonstration, my worksite requires a lane closure on a 2-lane raid, so template TA-10 will suit this application. Once I've selected my template, I can click Next. The wizard will then prompt you to enter the worksite address. Simply key it in here in the search bar. Once done, select Next. On the following prompt, select the road that your works will take place. Your road selection will be highlighted in green. Next, the wizard will ask you to place your start and end of works. The first click will be for the start of works, and the second click will mark the end. You can then left click and drag these if you need to adjust after dropping. When the work area is selected, select Next. The wizard will then ask for some basic road information, such as speed and road classification. Once this has been filled out, just hit Next. From here, just specify the taper of your worksite and buffer zone if required. Like every other plan type in RapidPlan, we'll just need to finish our plan details. So adjust your scale and print region if needed, and once that's done, you can click Create Plan. We are now taken to the canvas area with the auto template displayed. A dialog box will appear in the top left corner of your canvas area, where you can further adjust your template settings if required. If you do want to make some adjustments, such as the type of road, I'll adjust it here. You can see the tool will dynamically update the plan as the changes are made. The tool allows you to see the template in real time before you click Complete. As you can see, once I have clicked Complete, another dialog box is displayed. The reason this box displays is to warn of any connecting roads through your worksite. You can see on my plan here that the worksite interferes with the driveway to an establishment. When applying the template, RapidPlan examines the road network to see if there are any intersecting roads with the worksite. In this case, we have one intersecting road. So RapidPlan is prompting you to consider placing advanced warning signs if needed. In future releases, the tool will recognize these connecting roads and update the plan accordingly. For our second demonstration, I'll step through a right-hand traffic template. For now, I'll navigate back to the home page and start the process again. It should be noted that the Generics Works modules do not contain any signage, as they are not region specific. Although everything else is drawn out for you, roads, delineators, and the work zone. You will just need to place signage where it's required, based on your local regulations. Now, let's select the template. If you are unsure which template to use, select this Help Me Choose option. The wizard will then ask you a series of questions that will help determine which template is required for your worksite. This is the best option for users that are new to the tool, so let's step through this option now. As we saw in the previous demonstration, we first need to select our road and designate where the works will take place. So I'll use the same road as earlier. The wizard will now ask a series of questions to determine your template. Questions include such things as road dimensions, locations of work, the time of day, and table length of worksite. Once all of that information has been gathered, the wizard will then continue onto the plan details section. Like we went through previously, once we fill these details in, we can then select Create Plan to apply our template. Once you are happy with the layout of your template, just hit Complete. If there are any other objects you need to add to your plan, you can now add them. Sometimes the template will extend past your active print region, so you may need to apply more regions to your plan depending on your page size. As you've seen, this tutorial has now shown you how our first iteration of the Auto Template tool can help you apply a typical worksite setup to a specific location very quickly. Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe below to stay updated on new content at Envarian.